Today we are going to learn the index and merge function in Microsoft Excel. Basically, index and merge are both two different functions, but if we will use them together, we will perform more advanced lookup functions in Microsoft Excel. It can be alternative to VLOOKUP with advanced functions. Unlike VLOOKUP, which can only do a left to right lookup, index and merge you can search, you can look up values horizontally, vertically, left to right, case sensitive, right to left, with multiple criteria. You can say it is an advanced form of VLOOKUP function. So first we will understand index function. What does index actually do? Index gets a value at a given location in a range of cells based on numeric position. It's clear that index function need a numeric reference in order to find a certain value. Numeric reference can be a column number or a row number. So if your range is one-dimensional, or you can say if your range is a single column, you can give just the row number. But if you have two-dimensional range, if you have multiple columns in your selected table, then you have to give the row number as well as the column number. So the formula can be used as write index, open parenthesis, select your range, give the row reference, close the parenthesis, press enter. Or in case of multiple columns, write index, open parenthesis, select your range, give your row number, then your column number, close parenthesis, press enter. So this is the result. This was index function. Now we will understand merge function. The merge function basically finds the position of the value. Like in the case of index, we have manually input the row number or the column number. In case of merge will find the column number or the row number through the formula. So write merge, open parenthesis, inverted commas, write the text you want to search, inverted commas, then comma, then select the range, select the table, then comma, then the merge type. If you want exact merge, press 0, or if you want approximate merge, then press 1. So we need the exact merge, press 0, close the parenthesis, press enter. So it will give the exact row number or the exact position of the value. Let's see how we can use both the formula together. To use both the formula together, start with index function. First of all, write index, open parenthesis, select your range, comma. Now you have to give the row reference number. So we will find the row reference number through merge function. So write merge, open parenthesis, select the value or write down the word you want to search, then comma, then select the range for merge function, again comma, 0 for exact merge, and you can write 1 for approximate merge, but we need the exact merge in the formulas. Close the parenthesis, comma. Now you have to give the column reference number. Here we need to pull out the amount. So that is column number 2 in the table. Write 2, close the parenthesis, press enter. So that was all. I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.